Hi guys, Chad from Ultravape. Today I'm going to do a review on two new addies by UD. The first one is the Igo W3, which is a 5-post dripping atomizer, and the Igo W2, which is also a 5-post dripping atomizer. To start off, they are both 5-posts. They use a different setup though. One uses 5 posts with actually 5 different screw heads, and this one is the Igo W3. The positives in the center, and you have 4 negatives. You also have 4 different air holes. Well, they're actually slots in the addy, and as well as the cap. Now, if you notice, there's 2 holes right here, and it's kind of covered by this label, but there's a set of holes on this side, and then exactly on the opposite there's another set of holes, and that's for if you do one of a regular build, probably like a dual coil, maybe even a single coil if you can get it to work. Now on the Igo W2 has the center post right here, which is the positive, and it uses 4 actual screws that need to use Allen keys. So it's a little harder if you don't have that tool, but the tool is included in the spare parts bag that you get with the purchase. And this cap just has 2 sets of 3 holes that go opposite of each other, which would line up with 1 air hole and 2 air holes. You can do a number of builds on either of these. I prefer using microcoils with the Igo W2. It just seemed easier when I was building it, because what you have to do is you have to slide the wire through here. You have to pull the screw up and then slide the wire through, and then tighten it back down to ground it. You can either use the top of the positive post or one of the holes that is actually lower down on the post, which was a little harder to do in my opinion, if you don't have smaller hands or maybe smaller tools. Now on the Igo W3 we have a hole in each of the negative posts, and you have 4 different holes inside the positive posts. So you can build from here to here, to each negative you can build across, or you can just, if you do like a center post setup or something like that, you can just use the actual screw heads to connect to your negatives and positives. And that's the Igo W2 and W3 from UD.